Hi guys, Lincoln here with hostlincoln.org, and today is actually the 38th of the affiliate marketing challenge. And I actually posed this challenge because of non-conversion rate I'm getting. So what I would like to tell you is I bought a lot of courses and a lot of things, but still I'm doing all the things they are saying, and still I'm not having any conversion rate and any sales up to now, and this is proof of it. No sales, and I'm actually very frank with you, and this is like really bumming me out. So what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple of days, or what I did actually this week, was as I posed my campaign on the 33rd day, because I've seen that I'm getting a lot of clicks on my other channel actually, the health and fitness one, and it's really not working out for me. I did my call to action, I did my videos, I'm getting my clicks, but I'm having some kind of stall, and I want to know what's happening. So I'm pausing my campaign, I'm reviewing what I did and what was wrong, and I will teach you what really was wrong and how it should be done. And yes, I also work a lot about how SEO works this week, so I can rank videos and websites too. Keyword is very important in that business, and that's true because you've seen my videos are getting like very little views here compared to my other channel, which I won't mention because even if you are using my hub links to see what kind of channel I have, you won't be able to. That doesn't matter because I'm not getting any sales anyway. What I did do right was I kind of monetized my other channel, uh, and that's really great because I've been doing this for 40 days and it's already gone good. And health and fitness is a big niche, and people really like the kind of videos I'm putting out there. So let's just close that. And yes, if you like this channel and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and other business models, and I'm testing a lot of them actually, and this year, you can check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification so you can get videos like when I upload them. And yeah, one thing I found in actually Builderall, a great tool actually, it's an SEO on page tool report where I use my website or hostlincoln.org, this website, and I'm in the make money online niche, but not just that, it's more about entrepreneurship, and I do want to boost up this site. I don't really have the time right now, but I will do so eventually. And what it does, it actually gives you a page report on your website, which is actually a great tool, and you can even offer that as 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 a tool you can use to get money. And this is a bad grade, but anyhow, you understand what it means. Okay, and you can use this tool to make money. Actually, you can use this tool, then go on fiverr.com and say that you can do a page report, an SEO on page report for you for free, and you can do that inside Builderall, which is a great thing because you can get sites to rank better. And this is actually a great thing, and I'm actually going to do that maybe next couple of days. But that's great. You just go on Builderall, the link will be in the description below if you want, and you can use that to write websites and know what's happening. Actually, this is my site, and it's actually a WordPress one, talk about this, and I need to work a little bit on that and optimize that a lot. So back to this one. So I'm changing my posting habits. I used to post every single day, but I'm not getting the clicks I want. I'm getting 1 or 2 views per video. So what I will do, I will post only on Tuesday and Thursday, and see you soon. That is Tuesday. And what I will do, I will optimize my video so that it can convert better. So what I will do, I will continue to teach, and on Tuesday I will depict what was wrong, and I hope I can do that this Thursday, if not the next Tuesday, what was wrong with this campaign. So we tested affiliate marketing. We did not have any sales with Clickbank, and we will start another challenge soon. And until that, thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because we're uploading on Tuesday and Thursdays. Thanks.